In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on PayPal as friends and family. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to check, and how to avoid common mistakes so your transfer goes smoothly. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone or go to paypal.com on your computer. Log into the account you'll be sending money from. Take a second to confirm you're on the official PayPal site or app and that you're logged into the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one. On the app, tap Home at the bottom left, then choose Send. On a computer, you'll typically find Send at the top of the page. If your layout looks a little different, it's usually just a navigation update. Look for the Send or Send and Request option. Next, choose the recipient. You can type their name, PayPal username, email address, or mobile number, or pick someone from your suggested contacts if you've paid them before. Double check the details carefully here. Small typos can send money to the wrong person, and friends and family transfers aren't designed for disputes. Enter the amount you want to send and make sure the currency is correct if you're sending internationally. You can add an optional message to let the recipient know what the payment is for, which is helpful for clarity later. Tap next to continue. If you're converting currencies, PayPal will display the conversion and any applicable fees before you send. Choose how you want to pay. You can use a linked bank account, debit card or credit card, or link a new method if you need to. Keep in mind that some funding sources like cards or international transfers may include fees, which PayPal will show on the review screen. On the review screen, look for the payment type. By default, PayPal may select goods and services. Tap that and change it to friends and family. This is important. Use goods and services when you're buying something and want buyer protection. Friends and family is only for people you know and trust, like relatives or close friends, because it does not include buyer protection. Before sending, review every detail: the recipient, the amount, the funding source, the currency, and that friends and family is selected. When everything looks right, tap send. Give PayPal a moment to process the payment. Once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap done. It's a good idea to keep the confirmation for your records in case you need to reference it later. That's it. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step PayPal tips and tutorials.